Hello guys, I just want to say thank you for tuning into my channel. And you can see here, you can exactly see in comparison with these two guys, with the Tello and also the Xiaomi Mitu drone. You can see exactly what's going on here. You can see the Tello, you don't even have to do anything on the throttle as much. And over here with the Xiaomi Mitu, you gotta keep yourself moving because if you don't, your drone is gonna drift away. It's not saying the bottom sensing is not working. It's the fact that in this extreme level, Tello has the DJI technology with the same with the Spark and also with the Mavic Air. And the reason why it can hover, because it has infrared down position sensing instead of just using just the bottom sensing camera or the ultrasound, whatever, to level the ground. And you can see here with Tello and also the position sensing, it's saying high wind. It's more accurate. So it's telling you awareness condition. With this Xiaomi Mitu, it's still pretty new to the game. This is their second drone, actually came out. Not micro, not this size, actually bigger. Well, anyway, just letting you know, with the DJI experience with drone, you can see the Tello doing like aerial photographer already. Not only that, you can do more flight modes, you can do more stuff with it. And all I want the Mitu is just to be in that flag. On the yellow flag, but you can see here with the Tello, it's in the next level already. Look at what this guy can do. While Mitu here is having a hard time and lost his chance. Well, anyway, just letting you guys know stuff that you have to go through if you're flying in extreme wind. And you can see here both of them perform well. I'm saying you can see the Mitu is actually the second competitive to Tello. The reason I'm saying that, it can actually handle the wind compared to Parrot Mambo, and to the Wingsland X1. Just letting you guys know that. So if you guys did not tune into my channel, please do. You guys are gonna see all the review that I've done with this micro level drone that actually has sensors and position sensing and all that kind of stuff, good technology built into them. That's what I do. That's what my review is all about. But also here, you can see that this guy right here, the Xiaomi Mitu, don't have the capability of, it doesn't have a flight modes. Hopefully Xiaomi Mitu company will fix that. And you can see here the stabilization here is always it needs help with the Mitu. So just letting you guys know, I'm not like bashing on Xiaomi drone. I just want to see, because if they want to be competitive with DJI or Ryze Tello, this is the stuff they have to go through, or any other drone company. This is about maybe 20, 26, 25 miles an hour wind with, I think maybe, yeah, with gust. So you can see the Xiaomi Mitu is trying so hard just to keep up level compared to Tello, Ryze Tello here. So just letting you guys know. And of course, I don't think you should fly this in an extreme wind like what I'm doing. That's what I do. And then you guys are gonna go ahead and see more what I do in my videos. And again, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And there's more to come. There's more video to come. So click in.